Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to hide your last scene on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy section, tap on Last Seen and Online. Under Who Can See Your Last Time section, select Nobody. Tap the right icon to save the changes. Tap OK to confirm. That's it. Last scene is hidden on your Telegram account. This is how you can hide your last scene on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.